name's Amanda. I'm co-founder of Mushiki Dumplings with my husband Hayden. We make great quality dumplings and buns, and I'd like to take you on a tour and show you around where it all happens.
My name's Hayden Thatcher. I'm the co-founder of Mushiki Dumplings, along with my wife Amanda. We're the owners of our business. So about 2 years ago, we installed some solar power. It was, for Amanda and I, using renewable energy was important on two fronts. Environmental reasons, which we're all aware of. That's quite important for Amanda and I to make our business as sustainable as possible. So we decided to install 72 kilowatts of solar, and yeah, we did that 18 months ago, and it's been working really well. It helped us reduce our bills with our electricity bills, and all of our staff were really happy about that decision as well, because they're happy to be working with renewable energies. Yeah, so the team at SolaX really provided us with a lot of their knowledge. They passed that on to us and really provided us with a great solution. And when we decided to go with them, they were really super quick at coming forward and doing the installation. It was a matter of 1 or 2 weeks, and they were on site here, installing more panels, installing the batteries, and they did a really neat job. They were fantastic to work with. They're happy to work around our production schedules, so we had minimal interruptions with our production, which was obviously really important to us. Yeah, and they've continued to provide a great it's relatively new, but really good after-sales service as well. Certainly recommend them. Yeah, absolutely recommend them to other businesses. Yeah, for sure.